Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials. Make sure you have admin rights and a physical connection if using Ethernet, because Windows needs permission and a link to configure adapters. Once done, press Start, open Settings, then Network and Internet to reach status. This central page shows connection health. Next, choose Change Adapter options to reveal all network adapters. Seeing them is necessary because you will enable, disable, or configure properties directly. This step begins the hands-on work and explains why we go to adapter options first. Now you configure the adapter so traffic flows correctly. Right-click the adapter to enable or disable it and run Diagnose if Windows reports a problem. That often saves time. Open Properties to adjust Internet Protocol version 4 settings. Choose DHCP for automatic addressing or use a static IP when required, and enter DNS manually to control name resolution. If connectivity still fails, open Device Manager to update the adapter driver or roll back a bad driver. These actions change how. Finish by validating the connection. Ping a reliable host, open a website, and check status in settings to confirm IP4/IP6 and DNS are active. If problems persist, use Network Reset under Network and Internet to restore default networking. This reinstalls adapters and clears configs. Make sure you know saved Wi-Fi passwords. As a key troubleshooting tip, disable power management in adapter properties so Windows doesn't turn it off. Many intermittent issues are caused by sleep settings rather than hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.